Would you fart on him? Yes, I would fart on him. But I would fart on him maliciously. You know what I mean? The guy who turned into a dog for 20 grand. I want the full video, though. The full video is, like, long. Oh, this is it. A Japanese man spent over $20,000 for this border collie costume. You cannot convince me this isn't a weird sex thing. It's definitely.
Yeah, perfect. Good boy. Amazing. One more time. Yeah, cool, Bobby.
He's a human. That's not that impressive. What the fuck?
Thank you. Be careful. Are you good?
Bro, how is he walking with his back legs? Like, what did he do? That's what I don't understand. Like, what the fuck did he do with his hind legs? Why? Fart on him? Oh, that'd be pretty funny. Is it weird if I want to pet him? Yeah, it's weird. This literally looks... This looks like it was out of a nightmare, dude. He's walking on his knees. How? There's a dude in there, chat. Yeah, he walks real weird.
He's scared. He's scared.
Would it still be weird if it was a dog wearing human clothes? No, then it'd be sick. Because it's a dog wearing human clothes. It's exactly the opposite. It's sick in the same way that this is weird. If it was, of course, a dog wearing human skin, then that would be really fucking strange and really scary.
Hello.
He's waving to the fucking camera. That's so weird.
Yeah. Good. Someone is waving to you. Can you wave back? Can you wait?
Full Metal Alchemist. True. Oh my gosh, he even looks like it though. Okay, is there like a documentary here or is it just 5 minutes of this dog being fucking weird? Oh my god, I'm calling it a dog. Bro, imagine being in Japan and then wasting your beautiful time on Japanese soil doing this shit. You know what I mean? You could be at the fucking kombini. You could be out there eating tamago sandos. You could be eating the greatest wagyu of all time. This could be illegal in Liberland. This is definitely legal in Liberland. Brother, this is the most legal thing in Liberland. I don't see cat enjoyers doing this, just saying, yeah, bitch, because you can't. Don't ever tell me cat enjoyers don't behave like this on a daily fucking basis. Come on now. Cat enjoyers would literally do this if cats were that size. Cats movie, Cats Broadway show, the musical. I mean, there's plenty of examples. You're right. Okay, so realistic dog costume. I became a dog and took a walk outside. My dream of being an animal since I was a little child became true when I became a collie. Bitch, you didn't become a collie. Oh my god. The channel name is a cry for help. It's called I want to be an animal. Oh god. Stop yucking people's yum. No, dude, this is weird. Like, it's not hurting anybody, so I don't give a shit. You know what I mean? I'm not like it should be illegal or anything. But like, you can't stop me from making fun of this. You know what I mean? Like, it should be illegal to not make fun of this. Would you pet him? Fuck no. Like, you know what? I would have a traumatic experience because, like, from afar, I would accidentally think it is a dog and then pet him and then realize it's not, and it would, like, break me for the rest of my life. It would be a canon event. It would be a life-changing moment in my... Events that unfold would dramatically change the course of my life. That's the most normal cat person. What do you mean? Yeah, I'd check every dog afterwards. I'd be like, is this I need to make sure if this is an actual dog and not a human in a hyper-realistic dog costume. Would you fart on him? Yes, I would fart on him. But I would fart on him maliciously. You know what I mean? Like, when I fart on dogs, I'm doing it with, like, laughter and joy because, like, dogs like that kind of thing. But when you fart on a human, well, then he's not going to appreciate it. So I would fart on him as like a fuck you. Mute the video and put this under it for the actual vibe of this video. Yeah, for real. This is way too cheery. Okay, you know his ass is peeing in that, dude. You know his ass is just like, boop. He's taking his dick out and, like, there's a dick hole, 100%. I am willing to bet money that there is a fucking little hole for his dick. He's going to try and, like, put his leg up and then pee out of it. 1,000%. It's thought-provoking to think that such an unrealistic dream of my childhood will come true. His hind legs are so fucked. Oh, looks so cute. Like a real dog. Ah! Burn it with fire! By the way, when I walk outside, I wear sandals to keep my feet clean. This dog has already hip dysplasia. Put it down. Put it down. Ah! Every time it waves, it freaks me out. I'm nervous that people might see me. That's why I'm filming myself. He saw the traumatic Full Metal Alchemist episode and thought, "Oh, I want that for me for real." Like that's actually one of the worst things I've ever not worst, is incredible show, but that sequence of events is so traumatic. Like one of the most emotional, awful, sad moments. This guy looked at it and was like, "I want that." Oh. Okay, we're done. I can't do this any longer.